All right, welcome back, everybody. We're taking a look at some cards, some proxies I got from Fatal Proxy on Etsy. Just a few choice cards I needed for. Should have done this before I started the video, but it wouldn't be a proper unboxing if I didn't. Cards I needed for some decks, just to have fun, play around. And I got some Wastelands from the same seller before, which turned out pretty sharp. Okay, I'm gonna damage the damn cards before I even get to use them. Start with Nether Void. It's pretty good, not too glossy. A lot of proxies seem to have a lot of gloss on them. Coloration seems okay. Maybe it looks like it could be a little darker. Maybe that's just me. So we got Polluted Delta. Yeah, it looks pretty solid. I don't know if on a real card, though, if, like, the middle, the water, see how it's a different sheen. Bloodstained Mire. Good old Goblin Legacy card. Wooded Foothills. I got a Chromox. What is that at the top? Is that like... Looks like it's a part of the printing process. Oh, it's came off, whatever it is, kind of. Alright, The Abyss. Classic Legends card. Let's see, a white bordered Badlands. That's not too terrible. A lot of times with these proxies, see where the white meets the border, it's like a different sheen or different, I don't know what the fucking word is, but it blends pretty seamlessly. Alright, and we got some more Wastelands. You can never have enough Wastelands, right? I want to get back to that Abyss, though. I've got a real Abyss I got before they were super pricey. The real Abyss is obviously this one. Now, the sheen, let me try and get this right. The sheen is pretty good. Obviously, the real one has more texture to it. Well, yeah, definitely a different texture. But maybe it's just due to the age of this card, but you can tell, there's more purple in the illustration, in the art, than the proxy. Overall, still not terrible, though.